Good morning, everyone. Today we start with percentage. Percentage is a combination of two words per cent. Here per means per and cent means 100. So per 100. If I say 10 rupees are spent on sweets out of rupees 100, then it means 10% of the money is spent. If I say 10, let me take another example. If I say 15 bulbs are defective out of 100, that means 15% of the bulbs are defective. Now, suppose we have to convert 37 upon 100 is a fraction. I have to convert it into percentage. I should multiply by 100. This is equal to 37%. If the child scores 280 marks out of 300, I have to convert it into percentage. It means I should multiply it by 100. So we get this as 280 upon 3. Let us convert it into decimals also. This is equal to 93.3% of percent marks the child has scored. That means whatever is the total will be the denominator, whatever is the scored in the numerator multiplied by 100. If we have to write 35% in the form of a fraction, 35% in the form of a fraction, I should write it as 35 upon 100. Now, let us convert ratio into percentage. 14 is to 25. To convert ratio into percentage, first write it as a fraction. 14 upon 25. I'm converting into percentage, that means I should multiply it by 100. Now simplify it. 56% is the answer. Let us take more examples. 4 is to 5. First I write it into fraction, 4 upon 5. I have to convert it into percentage, I should multiply it by 100. 5 20 times. 20 into 4, 80%. This is converting the ratio into percentage. Now let us solve the question. Convert each of the following into decimal fraction. I'm given it as a percentage. I have to convert it into decimal fraction. 36%. 36% can be written as 36 upon 100. This is equal to 0.36. Similarly, 0.25% has to be written as 0.25. Percentage sign I remove, I get 100. Now I have to convert it into decimal. That means this 100 is there. If I remove these two zeros, my decimal point moves two places towards left. My answer is 0.0025. Now, convert each of the decimals into percentage. Now you are given as a decimal, you have to convert it into percentage. 0.8. I have to convert it into percentage. To convert it into percentage, I should multiply it by 100. So what do I get? If I multiply it by 100, first I remove this decimal, I get 10 here. This gets cancelled. This is equal to 80%. Now 0.04 into percentage. That means if I have to convert it into percentage, I should multiply it by 100. This decimal I remove, I get one more 100 in the denominator. This gets cancelled. It is equal to 4%. Now to find another question, find 8% of 125. 8%, find 8% of 125. 8% can be expressed as 8 upon 100. Off changes to multiplication. 125 is already there. Now let us simplify. 25 fours are, 25 fives are, 4 twos are. This is equal to 10. Let us solve more questions. 9% find 9% of rupees 700. 9% can be written as 9 upon 100. Off changes to multiplication 700. This is equal to 9 multiplied by 7, 63 rupees. One more example. 8% of 5 liters. In this, what we are going to do is, we are going to convert liters into milliliters. So this was equal to 8 upon 100 multiplied by 5000 milliliters, which is equal to 400 milliliters. This is also equal to 400 upon 1000 liters. This is equal to 0.4 liters. If you don't convert it into milliliters, you will get 8 upon 100 multiplied to 5. Just simplify it. Let us see what do we get. 5 upon 20. 4 twos are, 4 fives are. 2 upon 5 can be written as 0.4 liters. If you don't convert, then also you can do by this method. If 3% of x, question is if 3% of x is 9, find x. Find the value of x. 3% will be written as 3 upon 100. Off changes to multiplication. X equal to 9. X is equal to 9 multiplied by 100. Cross multiply and solve. You get this as 300. 3% of 300 is 9. Let us solve few more questions. Word problems now. Rupesh scored 495 marks. Rupesh scored 495 marks out of 750. Find the percentage of marks. Find the percentage of marks scored by him. Percentage of marks scored by him. Your first statement will be Rupesh scored 495 marks out of 750. Percentage of marks is equal to marks obtained upon total marks multiplied by 100. Marks obtained upon total marks multiplied to 100. This can be written as 495 upon 750 multiplied to 100. Let us solve this. 25 fours are 25 30 times. This is 2s are and 15 times. Let us simplify. 3s are and 3s are. This is equal to 66% of the marks is scored by Rupesh. Rupesh scored 66% marks. Let us solve few more questions. The price of a sweater, is increased by 8%. If the increased price is rupees 1566, find the original price. Let the original price of a sweater be X. Let the price of sweater be X. Price increases by 8%. That means 8% of X. New price is equal to X plus 8% of. According to the question, new price is 1566. So X plus 8x upon 100 is equal to 1566. Let us solve this. Take the LCM. You get this as 100x plus 8x equal to 1566. Solve 108x upon 100 is equal to 1566. X is equal to 1566 multiplied 200 upon 108. Let us simplify this. It is 25 times 4 and it is 27 times. 3 nines are 27, 5, 2, 2. 9 fives are 45 and 8s are 72. 58 multiplied by 25 1450 was the original price of the sweater. John's income is 20% more than that of Mr. Thomas. How much percent is the income of, how much percent is the income of Mr. Thomas less than that of John? Thomas' income is 20% more than that of Mr. Thomas. Let Mr. Thomas' income be rupees 100. If Mr. Thomas' income is rupees 100, then John's income is 120. It is 20% more. 20% of 100 is 20 rupees. So then John's income is equal to rupees 120. How much percent is the income of Mr. Thomas less than that of John? What is the difference of the income? Difference is 20 rupees. 120 minus 100, 20 rupees. Now, you have to compare to that of John. That means in the denominator, I should have John's income. Percentage of Mr. Thomas income less than that of John. Percentage of Mr. Thomas income. Mr. Thomas income less than that of John. This is equal to 20. Now see, I am comparing to John's income. Then I should write John's income in the denominator. Let me write the formula first. Difference in the income upon John's income multiplied to 100. Difference is 20 rupees. John's income is 120 multiplied to 100. 4 threes are, 4 fives are. So it is 50 upon 3, which is equal to 16 2 upon 3. That's all for the day, children. Thank you.